Hello, welcome to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to trade step index using a simple indicator setup. Okay, what is a step index? Because that is very important. You cannot trade step index without knowing the meaning of step index, the risk management aspect of it, how to place your take profit and stop loss, and this is what I'm going to teach you in this video. Apart from that, you will know when to buy and when to sell. Okay, now let me go to the point. These are the indicators that you really need: moving average 15, method linear weight applied to open, styles is trapezoid and that color. The next moving average is period of 14, shift is 0, method is linear weight applied to open, star is trapezoid and that color. And the next is linear weight, period is 15, shift 0, method linear weight applied to close, the star is trapezoid and black. And the next moving average is 17, shift is 0, method is linear weight applied to close, star is trapezoid. This is very awesome. Then the next one is period 19, shift 0, method linear weight applied to close, star is trapezoid, no level. Then the next moving average is period 21, shift is 0, method is linear weight applied to close, star is trapezoid and dark color. Then you need another another indicator. You go to main chart, look for Ishimoku, which is under that should be under trend. Ichimoku Kinko here. Then you also need the values. The Tenken Sen is 5, Kijun Sen is 5, Senku Span B is 5, field styles Tenkan-sen, Upkumo, Dankumo, and Shiko-span should be the background color, which is white. I'm using white. If you're using black, you use black. And the Kijun-sen should be blue, 2 pesos. You can see the pesos for that ones. Make sure you put it down. You click on done. I have already done that. Then the next indicator, this time around, we click on indicator window 1 and add stochastic oscillator. I've done that. The values are period, K period is 5, D period is 3, slowing is 3, price field low or high, method simple, styles the main should be 2 pesos, white signal should be 2 pesos and white. Then the levels, we have the main level we need here is level 10 and level 90. Please forget every other levels here. Level 10 and level 90. Level 10 you buy, level 90 you sell. So that is it. You click on that. If you are actually trying to get moving average, when you click on this main chart, see where you can see moving average. This is where you can see it. Okay, so if you are looking for a stochastic oscillator, if you go to F, this is where you can see stochastic oscillator. Under oscillators, you will see it here. And Ichimoku, I've said that Ichimoku is always in the, you can see it under trend. If you click the main chart, it's under the trend, see it here. So you have set the indicators, right? Then how do you know when to buy and when to sell? And how do you put your stop loss? That is the problem of people. They don't know how to set stop loss and take profit. And that is the main part of this video, to help you make money in step index. Before I continue, I'm going to take you to a notepad to explain to you what step index is all about. What I see here, a step index, the asset price has equal probabilities of stepping up or down by 0.1 pip. Now, Pip here means point in price, please. That is the change in price with respect to the initial price. In forex market, price keep changing. Okay, the same thing happen in synthetic market. Price keep changes. The volatility in synthetic market is higher than that in forex. Okay, because they have to vary so well so that they can actually mimic what is happening in real world situation, so they are continuous in nature. Now the main thing is, how do you make money here? Trading step index with this strategy I'm showing you. First of all, you have to know that 1 pip in step index is equal to $1. If a price is at, because this asset is for the small whole parts, if a price is at let's say 93.56, let's say we have a price at 93.56 and changed to 93.57. It has risen to 93.57. So if we buy if we just buy this asset at this point at 93.56 and it goes to 93.57, we have made $1 if we bought one lot size. So 1 pip we give you $1, $10 for one lot size, for one lot size. Okay, so that's what this means. So this will help you to actually know what you want to do. So assuming, I'll get you back, let me arrange what you need to know. So if you want to calculate your stop loss, because it's very important, once you know your stop loss, you will be able to make profits. Because if you don't know your stop loss, you might blow your account and miss the upcoming opportunity. So the stop loss is trade order plus or minus risk, all divided by lot size times pip value. So for sell you use plus and for buy you use minus. The trade order is the price at which you traded. So there are types of orders which I will show you in the MT5. If I go to MT5, you will notice that there are types of orders. Let me show you. Like this step index, 1 minute time frame. I think I can, let me just do as if I want to place trade. So if you click on market execution, you will see buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, sell stop limit. So you have to, if you are using market execution, then you are trading at the current price. So that's what I mean. Now I want to teach you something, like how does this really work. I've told you about the stop loss setup, how to know if you know your risk, then what will be the price that shift that risk. Okay, so there are two ways you can use this formula, or on MT5 I will show you how to do that. But before I show you that, just pay attention right now. You will see how this works. You will go to the least zone level. When you go to the least zone level, you wait for Ichimoku to be between level 90 and 80. Though initially I was like, you should concentrate on level 10 and level 90, but level 20, level 10, level 80, level 90. You will see level 10 is buy, level 20 is buy BT. That BT means between. So if the Ishimoku comes at level 20 or between level 20 and 10, what do? You buy. If Ishimoku come at level 90, what do? You sell. It's normal sell. And if it comes at level 80, you also sell, or between level 80 and 90 you also sell. So look at what really happened. The time frame should be like, if you're a scalper, I have not told you about that. If you're a scalper, use 5 minute time frame or 1 minute time frame. But if you're a long-term trader, use 15 minutes to 1 hour time frame. Like if you're a medium term trader, use 15 minutes to 1 hour time frame. And if you're a long term trader, use 4 hours and above. Okay, so how this work is, for instance, this market actually sold from here to this level. Let me show you. It sold from here to this level, and that was a great. Okay, this market actually started from here. At this point, our condition to sell has happened, and what are we waiting for? We don't need to retaliate much. We are just waiting for a candle, like for candles to start forming below the moving average. So at this point, we sell. We will have got how many pips? We will have got 7.5 pips. Okay, the first number indicates the number of candles, and the second is the pip. Remember, I told you one lot. If you traded one lot size, 1 pip is equal to $10. That means here you have made $70 if you sold one lot size. Okay, as a small account holder of $10, you can just trade the minimum, which is 0.1. So this 0.1, that is, if you trade a 0.1 lot size, what does it mean? It means that you are going to be getting 0.1 times the value of 1 pip. I'm sorry, you are going to get because this you traded 0.1 and you bought the pip value is 7.5, and for one lot size the pip is 10, so that will give you $7.5. So your $10 account has become $17 points. So this will give you it will give you $17.50. Okay, because you have a small account, you can't trade big lot size. The broker will limit how much lot size you are going to use because of the nature of your equity being small. So right now you have found a sell signal. What do? You sell. Then where do you place your stop loss? You place your stop loss depending. There are two ways. You can place your stop loss geometrically by mapping out the swing point near the moving average. The swing point, this is the price hit this zone and could not continue and change. So you put your stop loss there, that is at a price of, you don't need to do calculation. Please, those calculation I placed there is for education purpose. Please, you can do it like this. Just you can see 93.23.9 is your stop loss price. Okay, so and what will be your take profit if you are selling now? You look in the past where market sold and reverse. So the market sold here, sold from here and reverse go up. So you can put your stop loss at your first TP here. Okay, your first TP. Then you can put other TPs, because as you are making profit, you would like to open more trade because your equity is increasing. You can place a sell here and place TP, your second TP here. Okay, that's it. When do you close your trade entirely? You close your trade when the Ichimoku has come to level 10 again, or between level 20 and 30. That shows you that the market will prepare to buy. Like right now, it is preparing to buy, but we can't buy now because there is no confirmation. You can only buy when the candles, when the candle open above the moving averages, above this moving average, it open and closes above, then it is right time to sell. It is right time to buy. But if that has not happened, you should not buy. The same thing with sell. When you minimize to the least zone level and you discover a sell signal happening, you have to wait. You have to increase this and wait for a candle. You can see this candle open and close below here. You wait for such thing to happen, then you enter. Definitely you are going to win this trade. Even if anything goes wrong, your stop loss is there to help you. I think I've taken time to explain this. Thank you for staying to this point. I will be dropping video of profit I made from this simple strategy. Remain focused and successful in your forex trading lifestyle. Bye for now.